So how many hours you stuck here for?
5 hours already.
You stuck here for 5 hours?
Yeah.
When are they going to get you out?
Whenever they'll get me out, according to who called first.
According to who? Wow.
Yeah, by the list.
And do you know what number on the list you are?
Nope. We have bus drivers that been stuck since last night. So it's gonna take time.
Okay, you got it.
And he just got stuck now.
Right.
So now I have to wait.
You have enough fuel to keep you warm?
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. This bus carries about at least 140 gallons of diesel fuel.
How many miles per gallon you get about, do you know?
Oh, I really don't know.
Okay.
So
Good
it's gonna
luck.
take a long time.
I'll be around.
Okay.
I'll see you. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You ready? You ready?
Yeshiva World. Yeshiva World.
When was the last time you saw a sanitation?
Bloomberg's Lindsay moment.
Okay.
From 1969.
He's clearing the bike lanes.
I agree.
Mr. Bloomberg.
I agree. Where's
Clearing the bike lanes.
Rocket, rocket, rocket. There you go. It's
Mayor Bloomberg runs a fourth time. Are you going to vote?
But now, this is his Lindsay moment. Same as Mayor Lindsay lost the election. He never cleaned the streets, 1969. So this is going to be his moment too, that he won't be elected again if he decides to be elected.
So the auto tune of that? The auto tune that governor
Did you ever think of running maybe on the platform? The snow is too
The
damn
only
high.
platform I ran on was a treadmill.